Hipiri ai te ariki nui ataki timu ki aka humunu e Nā tama te ariki nui ka puta mai korongo kako Nā tama te apoka e whenua Ko ka umunu tana uri e Wash over me, yeah, yeah. Songs about the water. Feel the water in our bodies. Hey. Mai te moana ki a rangi nui e Hei, 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 ha E ke kia papa tuanuku Hei, 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 ha Ki ngā maumano Hei, 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 ha E re wai re e Hei, 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 ha Mai te awa ki te moana e Hei, hei, ha Ka piki a ke ano Water goes around, around, around again. Oh, water, wash over me, water. Yeah, wash over me, water. Wash over me, water. Hey, water. Ooh, wash over me, water. Marini no maroe mata, water. Ooh, wash over me, water. Hey. Water is life, it's the number one savior. And that is why we must consider our behavior. Tears from my eyes, I'm happy to show. Let's unify and let the water flow. Wash over me, wash over me, marini no maroe mata. Wash over me, wash over me, yeah. wash over me, wash over me, yeah. Wash over me, wash over me, yeah. Wash over me, wash over me, wash over me. Wash over me, wash over me, 마리니 노아, 마로에 마타. Wash over me, wash over me.